Sparks Outdoors. Well, I don't know about your family, but in ours, food is really important when we're camping. It helps keep the kids quiet as well. So this is our 5-in-1 barbecue multi-tool, and really handy piece to have. So it's made of heavy duty stainless steel, and it's got a wooden handle, and it basically just folds open like a Swiss Army knife. So it comes with a spatula, a fork with a couple of rubber prongs on the end for safety, a basting brush, and also on the other side, which is most important, it has the bottle opener and corkscrew, because you don't ever want to be with a bottle of wine that you can't open. So we fold these away again, and its last little trick is that you can actually disengage the spatula from the rest of it. So you can keep this and you can get someone cooking on the barbecue. So a really handy little bit to have, and because it's stainless steel, it will last. It's good quality and nice and easy to keep clean. Thanks for watching.